Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I've put a little bit of paint on my sides and rubbed it in with my fingers. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. I do want a fairly copious amount of paint after I put my basic layer down. I am covered with paint. I started late today, so I'm a little short on time. I do want that thing out of there, and my tweezers are probably right handy. My Amazon link is a great place for the OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula and the stainless steel tweezers that I use and all kinds of paints. Even my camera is on there. And this camera has made over 2,000 videos. Probably more than that. Because that's just the amount of videos that's on my one channel. And I have another channel, Paint Adventures, from Priscilla Batzell, which will probably get another name change. It used to be Phoenix Rising, but it didn't rise. So, I'm not sure how to proceed because I don't do smears very often, but I'm going to do one this time. And I'm going to give myself a copious amount of paint and let it spread and think about what I might want to add, which is usually black. And I could do that, and maybe I will. This is the reason I don't do more smears is because it does require quite the base coat, and I'm not much on pouring away paint. And this isn't much of a way of pouring it away, I gotta say, but you better have the GAC 800 by Golden in your mixture. Now that's gone far enough. I'm probably going to use a little more white. I may wind up tipping. I do have some Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner, 10 drops to 2 pre-mixed ounces of black. I will use whatever's open, evidently. Now, other people, when they do this, they pour out of cups, and I don't have the luxury of having that happen right now. But I will just see if I can make myself put some lines down that I like. Since this is really the first time that I've done this, this might be a complete bomb, but pray for me that it's not. And since it's a lot like a swipe, I really don't think it matters that much where my colors go to begin with. That is the Arteza Electric Blue that I've been so enamored of lately. And I think I'm very tempted by orange, but I think I'm probably safer with some copper. So let's just have some fun. I'm going to grab my pie spreader, since I want that side. Oh, you can't have sealed up now. Really? Seriously? That's absurd. That was open like a minute ago. So I will pour that along there. And I will use whatever I've got left. Yeah, I'm liking that so far. I still could tip. I could definitely put some more black on there. I think I'm going to go and maybe put a little more in there. So I have to remember, got to get oriented so it goes on that side. And there isn't, whoa. Okay. Surprise. It'll be what it'll be down there. I could probably put some more white in there if I wanted to. I'm going to scrape off my pie spreader. I want to do this. But I don't want as much paint on there as I had a second ago, so I'm going to have to be a lot more cautious. Now I did say I might swipe, or I might tilt, that's what I said. Where's my gold? There it is. Whoops, that came out rather fast. Okay, so I've got the right side of this again. And hopefully I can pop some cells and dump over some bottles. I'm liking all of that. I don't really want to tip. I do want to add some pink. That I want to blow out. And I might want to just take some of that black. Yeah, that's something I wanted to do. So what else, if anything else? I am thinking I'm going to clean off my palette knife. I kind of like the smaller palette knife, to tell you the truth. Where do I want to put this, if anywhere? Yeah, kind of like that up there. I'm really tempted to go like that. I need more. I'm giving it a real chance to sell. Do I have enough on there? Come on, stop turning. Had a few little flourishes. Wipe off the extra paint. Use the extra paint. I guess I'll find out if this is going to crack tomorrow. There's some heavy paint on there. I could have used a whole bunch more turquoise, I think. But I love the blue. I don't know. That's a good way to find out, though. Just put a little bit over there. And I like that. And I like that too. Some interesting color combinations. I do have enough paint. I think I'm going to torch and call it good. I say that, but you cannot trust me. Because I really wanted that pink stripe down there. And there's every chance I'm not done doing that either. Because I think the pink really makes it all pop, makes it come together. Where's my... Oh, I didn't expect that white to pop into there. So, do I dare? I do, I dare. I need that palette knife though. Okay, so the only thing that I can see left that I want to do is something with that gold spot in the center. And the only thing I can think of to do is to clear my tip and blow a bloom in there. Because why not? Although it's a little risky, especially since I have to lean over the painting to do it. That just made it look like a big snake head. Wow. Cool. Maybe it won't in a minute. And I am thinking that I do not have any orange. And a little orange isn't going to hurt anything. And if it floats on the surface, that'll be perfect. I gotta be careful to stop digging in with my straw. Sometimes your fingers are good and sometimes they're not. I want a little bit of that purple flash. And as usual, I've probably gone overboard and used too many colors, but oh well, never mind. In for a penny, in for a pound. How about one spiral? It's been a while. I have been very good about not spiraling. I got some edges to fix up, but I am pretty much not unhappy with that at all. I could have used some of my orange, color shifting orange from Fokker, and I think I would have liked that in there. I guess there's only one way to find out, really, you know? If I can lay my hands on it, I will. I don't see it. Maybe I'm not supposed to have it. It should be right here. That's weird. My muse is playing tricks on me. I'm looking, I'm still not finding. That's the pink, that's the blue. How strange. You know it's got to be right here. Oh well, I'll try a little bit of this. a little bit of that. And hopefully you can see some of that. Yes, I'm okay with that. In fact, I think that worked out pretty well. I do have some edges to cover. I should definitely get a skewer out the next time. Put a few more tendrils in there. Oh yeah, no, I like that. I'm having too much fun. Did I set my timer? I've got 25 seconds left. No wonder I feel like I'm running out of time. I'm about to run out of time. So thank you guys for being here. If you're newly subscribed, please be welcome. I am going to grab a skewer. I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork, and my email address is directly below the video underneath the link tree, which is the first blue link under the video. And you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links there. My Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes, and more. This thing, which is now a jellyfish, is kind of bugging me. And I think, if I'm very lucky, I can get away with adding something to confuse the eye there. Cool, got away with it. Well, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. I'll be pulling my thumb over the edges of this for quite some time. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to make sure you guys know I have 1900 videos on 19 lists of 100. And you can find my playlist by going to all playlists, created playlists, on my YouTube channel. I want purple over there. Yeah, this was fun. Thank you, Gail. Good suggestion. Wrong end of the straw. I gotta be careful doing that. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Teespring clothing below the video. The Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are on the link tree, as is my Amazon link, and you can find my 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Also, what else can I tell you? There's a monthly drawing, and if you want to be included in it, there are paintings to be won. Yes, I'm going to put a little spiral right in the center as soon as I find that. Alright, I've got 1 minute left to tell you my community board has tomorrow's video on it, and my Facebook groups are Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More for shoppingpixels.com and Fine Art America. This is bizarre and very cool. And my first try was pretty cool. Yeah, not unhappy with this at all. You see that little white spot right down the side? It does not need to be there. So, what have I not told you guys? If you can't find something, please ask me. If you have a question, please ask me. If you are looking for my paint pouring recipe, it's underneath the video. Don't forget, 10 drops to 2 ounces of mixed black Amsterdam paint is my cell activator. And what I used to put on the pie spreader. I gotta be careful when I've got white in the background because it tends to want to come through. So I love you guys. If you're newly subscribed, please be welcome. I told you that already. Bye for now. Priscilla out.